Welcome to day 26 of 100 Days of Automation. Today, we continue to answer the question, what are some gaps and opportunities in the Shopify app marketplace? In the last video, we looked at how to extract all of this data from the app marketplace. Today, we go deeper. So, I'll click on this page, and now once I go to a specific app, we have all of this extra data about that app. So today we'll collect the categories, the video, the features, the app highlights, all of the gallery. We'll collect the full description. We'll also collect what app this app integrates with. We'll collect the website. We'll collect all of their pricing plans, and we'll also collect the rating distribution. Awesome. So let's see how this works. I'll go back to my page here. I'll click on my Chrome extension. I'll choose the action Extract Shopify Marketplace. I already have my key for Craftar entered. I'll enter the time between each page in second. This will help delay the page load by 7 seconds so we don't get blocked by Shopify. Next, we'll choose the number of apps to fetch. So I'll just write 30, which will let us see pagination in action, and I'll click on Run Automation. And now we can see we came to that page, and after every 7 seconds, we'll start going to the exact app detail page. I'll speed this up so you can see the automation in action quickly. Now that our automation is complete, we can go to Airtable and we should start seeing our data. In our Airtable, we can see that we got all the product names, descriptions, links. All of this data is similar to what we got in the last video, but now this time we got some extra information. So we got the categories for each product. We got what services they are compatible with. We got on what date they were created, so we can see how old an app is. We also got the full description, so I can come in and expand here, and we got all of this data, and we can now do analysis on this text data in future videos. We got gallery and the cover pics, so we can use this to extract information from these images as well as understand what design is working for which kind of apps. And since we collect this data every week, we can see patterns on when people are changing and how often they are changing these cover images, which can give us insights into how to design these images which work. We also got the hero image or video depending on what they actually used. We got the website for the app, and we got the distribution of reviews. So we not only have the overall reviews, we have now how many are 5-star, how many are 3-star, and so on. And now we can get a much better understanding of how these apps are performing on the App Store. In addition to that, we also got all the features across all the 30 apps that we got, and we can now again do text analysis on this in future videos. We can use this data to improve our own copy as well as see who these apps are targeting. Apart from that, if we go to our prices, we got the pricing plans for each of the apps. Where there was no pricing plan, it is empty, but wherever there is, you can see we got the actual header, the kicker, the subheading, and again we can use NLP to extract the numbers specifically to see how the pricing plans are changing over time. And we can also see the specific text they write and the features they provide inside pricing items. We'll do more text analysis on this in the future videos, but for now I think this data is in itself very useful. And then we can go to highlights, and here we can see the app highlights that we saw on the page. Does it have a seamless workflow? Is it speed tested? And so on. So with one button click, we were able to get all of this data across these 4 tables, and now we can use this to better understand where the gaps are, what apps are evolving, and how are they changing their messaging over time. To see how it was built, we can check out our API inside Craftar. So this API receives all the apps inside of our inputs. Then we set some variables and we extract product info from it. We extract features, we extract prices, we extract highlights, and then for each of those 4 tables, We add this data to add Airtable records again, and for each 4 once we do that, our API is done. So our API basically gets the data from our Chrome extension, does some text analysis on it, and then finally extracts and transforms data to fill out all of our Airtable bases. This was day 26 of 100 days of automation. We looked at part 2 of opportunity analysis system and tried to collect more data from Shopify App Store. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.